Over the years, I section hiked the Colorado Trail. This is the first through hike I've ever done. It's 480 miles and 90,000 feet of climbing. It's 3 times the height of Everest. And so I decided I'm going to make some extraordinarily light gear just to make it a lot easier. I started out by building this tent. It's all made out of Dyneema fabric. It weighs under 10 ounces. It uses my trekking poles to hold it up. I'm a retired engineer and designer / inventor just by nature. Next piece of the gear was to build a new quilt. It's completely waterproof from the neck down. It's also made out of ultra super thin fabric. I modified the thermarest that the quilt snaps to. So it makes it sort of like a mummy bag, but you don't have any of the weight of the down on the bottom. I spend a lot of time making this stuff. The materials I use are expensive. You know, I can go out and buy a quilt cheaper than I can make a quilt. The engineering challenge is to see how lightweight you can make a tent or lightweight you can make a sleeping bag and do good engineering to figure it out. You want to build the pack last because you've got to be able to fit everything into it. It's a dry bag with a roll down top. You put the sleeping bag at the bottom, you put your food in here, you put your clothes in, and you've got the pack. There's a sleeve inside that I roll up the thermarest pad, and I slip it inside to make it like a back pad. And it gives the pack all of its stability, and it makes it stand up, and it gives me a nice cushion on my back. The pack weighs, I think, 4.9 ounces. It's pretty unscathed for 500 miles. This year I just outdid myself. When I left home, it was 12.2 pounds, and it was 5 days of food. It was nice and comfortable.